Hello and welcome back to another episode of Slaughter Food Creations. Paulie here, and I've got an idea to show you, something that I did here recently using some leftover Pico de Gallo from a party that I had. I hope you stick around and check that out. I also want to thank everyone for subscribing to my channel. I also want to thank you for liking, commenting, and watching my videos. I appreciate it very much. It keeps me motivated. Thank you again, and stay tuned because here it comes. Alright, so I've got a bunch of leftover Pico de Gallo from my party yesterday. So I've got a crock pot here, and I'm going to go ahead and put it all in there, what's left of it. And again, Pico is a simple equal ratio of white onion and diced tomato, and then a bunch of cilantro to your taste, salt, and then lime juice, but the equal parts of tomato and onion, and then the rest to your taste. But I'm gonna get that in my crock pot like so, and I've got some diced jalapeno, and these are pickled, so they have a nice vinegar flavor to this and spice. But we'll mix some of that in there like so. Alright, and the final touch is a little bit of the pickling vinegar from our jalapeno. So a splash of that, and now let's put a lid on it and let it go. Alright, there it is. Fresh salsa. So I'm going to put this in containers and freeze it for another day, but it's good to go. Thank you for watching Slaughter Food Creations, and we'll see you next time.